Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology Lights. And in this session, we are going to talk about cell division. A cell in the basal layer of the skin contains 46 chromosomes and divides by mitosis to produce new skin cells. After 10 successful divisions, how many chromosomes will the basal cell have? After 10 successful mitotic divisions, a basal cell will still have 46 chromosomes. The drawing below depicts stages in the mitotic division of a cell. Part A. Write the letters in the order in which these stages occur. The correct sequence is B, D, A, C, and lastly E. Part B. How many pairs of chromosomes are there in the cell? There are 2 pairs of chromosomes in the cell. Part C. What is the diploid number of the chromosomes in these cells? The diploid number of chromosomes is 4. When chromosomes replicate, they produce dash. Fill in the missing gap using the following words: tissue, nuclei, chromatids, and somatic cells. When chromosomes replicate, they produce chromatids. In which 3 of the following cells is mitosis unlikely to occur? A. Sperm cell, an epithelial cell of a villus, a hair cell, a cell in the red bone marrow, a red blood cell, a lymphocyte, a cell in the basal layer of the skin. Mitosis is unlikely to occur in a sperm cell. Once sperm cells are formed, they do not divide again. A hair cell, they are dead. And red blood cell, they have no nuclei. An animal has 36 chromosomes in each of its body cells. how many of these chromosomes come from its male parent? If an animal species has 36 chromosomes in its cells, 18 of these come from each parent. The dash of a cell contains a fixed number of chromosomes. Before mitosis, each chromosome dash to produce 2 dash, fill in the missing words. The nucleus of a cell contains a fixed number of chromosomes. Before mitosis, each chromosome replicates to produce 2 chromatids. Which pairs of chromosomes in the cell shown here are homologous? The homologous chromosomes are A and D, B and E, C and F. The following drawings show the sequence of events early in cell division. Is the division meiotic or mitotic? The cell division is meiotic. The cell division is meiotic. How did you know? In part 2, the homologous chromosomes have paired up, and in part 3, they are separating to form daughter cells with half the diploid number of chromosomes. Give 2 examples in each case of organs or tissue in which you would expect meiosis to be taking place. Meiosis is likely to be taking place in testes and ovaries. Give 2 examples in each case of organs or tissues in which you would expect mitosis to be taking place. Mitosis may be occurring in red bone marrow of the skeleton to produce blood cells, in the basal layer of the skin, including hair follicles, in tissue where growth is occurring, for example, ends of bone shafts, in the lining epithelium of the gut. A fruit fly nuclei has 4 pairs of chromosomes in each cell. At meiosis, how many different combinations of maternal and paternal chromosomes are possible in the gametes? In gamete derived from a cell with 4 pairs of chromosomes, there are 2 to the power 4, which equals to 16 possible combinations of maternal and paternal chromosomes. Mutation are changes which occur in a dash or a dash. If a mutation occurs in a cell which is going to form a dash, the mutation may affect the whole dash, which develops. Down syndrome results from a dash mutation in the dash. Sickle cell anemia results from a dash mutation which affects dash of the body blood system. The words to pick from are cells, gene, gamete, chromosomes, nucleus, ovum, and organism. Mutation are changes which occur in a chromosome or a gene. If a mutation occurs in a cell which is going to form a gamete, the mutation may affect the whole organism, which develops. Down syndrome results from a chromosome mutation in the ovum. Sickle cell anemia results from a gene mutation which affects cells of blood system. Exposure to a dash or dash may increase the rate of mutation. Exposure to ultraviolet light, X-rays, radioactive emissions, mutagenic chemicals may increase the rate of mutation. What kinds of mutation in disease-causing bacteria might make them more dangerous? Pathogenic bacteria will become more dangerous to us if mutation makes them more virulent or resistant to drugs, that is, antibiotics. Dear friends, thank you very much for attending to Biology Lights. I encourage you to subscribe.